Okay, so question number 13 will be a time consuming problem. Okay, so here we have been given a reaction of 2s3r 2-chloro 3-phenyl butane in NaOET in ETOH. So this type of reactions, okay, for this you will what you will do is first write this simple chain, okay, which is CH3CCl, okay, CH PHCH3. Now you think about 2s and 3r, okay, which is your absolute configuration. So you draw the straight, sorry, draw the straight line. Sometimes it's very difficult to get the straight line. So now you try to place your hydrogens uh, at the end of the horizontal bond, so that whenever you go clockwise it is R, and whenever you go anti-clockwise it is S. Two, so let's say if this is methyl, okay, and if I place the chlorine over here, and if I place, suppose, methyl like that, okay, so what I do, I randomly place them, keeping the hydrogens at the ends of the horizontal bond, and then I try to decide. So what I will do is chlorine obviously over here is having priority 1. This group all total will be having 2, and that one will be having 3. So you're going anti-clockwise, so it is your 2s, okay. Now over here again, obviously this is having priority 1, this group is having 2, and that is having priority 3, so you're going that direction, which is obviously clockwise direction, so it is 3r. Okay, fine. So this much we have been able to do properly in the first go itself. Now all they are saying is A, which is a ene, means that means only found when elimination takes place. So let's see the structure of this 2-phenyl butene. So basically it will be something like that. They are saying E, which means you have both the methyl groups in the opposite side. Okay, so I think that is what it is. When they say Z, obviously the two methyls will be on the same side. No, I'm sorry. I think I'm going wrong with this. When they're saying E, that means the phenyl and methyl will be on the opposite side, right? When they're saying Z, because it is a question of priority, we have the phenyl and methyl on the same side. Okay, so what I'm trying to say essentially is that when it is E, highest priority groups lie on the opposite side. Okay, when it is Z, lowest priority groups, they lie on the, or highest priority groups lie on the same side. As simple as that. Okay. For the C, the structure will be obviously that. Then we have a CH PH CH3. So there is H over here. So that is the least substituted alkene, and in this type of reaction conditions, products are always Sedgwick type and not the Hoffman type. And the last one is a substitution product. Okay, substitution product which are formed, but they are very formed in minor amounts. Okay, so this is in minor amounts. Okay, so over here, to understand whether A or B is formed, what we will do is we will write the Fisher form in the Shawhorse form like that. So that means this is my H, alright, that is my chlorine, and that is my Me, and that is pH, Me, H. Idea here is to keep the H and Cl anti to each other, which would mean that it will be something like this. So if I rotate this bond, I will have to write something like this. So if I have something like that, I will have to write something like, that means this H goes here, that Me goes here, and that pH goes somewhere here. So somewhere there and there. Okay, that is what we have. So we have Me, we have the pH, we have the H, we have the Cl, we have the Me, and the H. So now your base, which is your OET, will attack here. Okay, and that will mean it will undergo a transition state wherein this bond is breaking. There's a double bond will be forming here like that somehow, and that will be breaking. Okay, so it is a one-step process. So obviously we are saying this is as E2 type, and so once we get the product, okay, so what we will say, this is a double bond right here, and we can see that that is Me. Okay, we have the Me and we have the pH like that, and we have, okay, supposedly this is your Me, and we have the H like that. So that being the case, we can see both the Me's are lying on the same side, and that means our product over here is going to be the major product. Okay, I hope that clarifies the question that was asked. Thanks for listening.